Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have CFX daily update. This altcoin is insane. It has been going parabolic into the daily, into the weekly frame as well. We need to see the exact targets here on Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see what CFX is going to do. So eventually CFX pumped another plus 157%. Insane stuff from it. And right now it is sitting at 0.14. What are we going to do next? Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. We work with professionalism, and the third tier has everyday trading, scalping strategy, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Let's draw the Fibonacci from the top, this top back on Monday, 13 September 2021 to the same bottom. Now, what I have done, I have drawn two fibs from this top right here, Monday 28 March, and this top Monday 13 September. The bottom is the same, back on Monday 26 December 2022. Now you can see that we are having two hugely important lines that I do not want you to miss out. It is this line over here in this whole area between 0.1344 and 0.1465. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to remove the one Fibonacci that I have drawn before from this top right here, Monday 13 September. Now, I'm going to keep these targets. If CFX is going to close above these targets right here, then it is going to explode, right? What I mean by exploding, another plus 100% could come for CFX, but what we need to do is either on the weekly or the daily frame. If you go on the weekly, you minimize the risk. If you stay at the daily frame, you minimize the risk again, but not the same as the weekly. But anyway, daily frame sounds fine as well. If we can close above these lines right here, and especially the 0.1465, this is our major resistance level, right? Then we could literally explode. Okay, could be going all the way up higher to the 0.30 and so on. This could be the case that we pump another, as I talked about, plus 100% into the next few days, to the next few weeks. But what happens, Bill, if we get rejected from those two lines? What are we going to do? Because eventually we are going to see with the risk metrics that we might be forming right here a nice bearish pattern formation, right? And this should be the case that the sellers will step in, because whenever we have multiple bearish patterns, then the sellers know it. And the shorters, what they want to do is to short positions, right? And the buyers will leave because they will take profits out. So they will push the price down. So right now we are having a hugely high risk with the RSI, the commodity channel index, and so on. However, the case with CFX is that it is insanely strong. But what I need you to do is to be careful. If you haven't bought yet and you want to buy, then do not buy right now. Okay, this is of course something that I want you to do. You do not have to do it, okay? Not a financial advice, just saying that I think right now, if you haven't bought yet, you shouldn't be buying. Now, what happens if you have bought around here? Then you should be waiting a little bit. What happens if you want to buy right now? Then do not do it. The reason is simple. These lines right here are the most important resistance levels that you will ever see. But closing above the 0.1465, okay, then we are going to massively explode. In the lower time frames, we are seeing some kind of weaknesses. What I mean by that is a very huge short-term risk. So yeah, I could say that CFX is going to get an insane correction in the lower time frames, minus 11% could be the case. But Okay, it is CFX. You never know because it has been going against the risk metrics all this time. Okay, so I am prepared though for a correction right now in the short term. So this is why I'm saying that it is very, very risky right now to get into CFX and to just go in and long right now CFX. Okay, please be extremely careful. I wouldn't be longing that right now. If we close above in the daily frame, yes, I'm going into a long position despite the risk that we are having in the daily frame. I do not care about it. Into the weekly frame, we are going into an overbought situation with the RSI as well. Just be a little bit careful. But at the end of the day, CFX for the short term needs a little bit of a correction going on. So please be extremely careful. Closing above these lines right here, though, in the daily scale will get us insanely higher. We could be reaching the 0.30 and even higher. If it happens on the weekly, then that's better. It is going into another impulsive wave in the weekly scale. However, getting rejected, as we talked about, we are going to meet some other support levels. The support levels are the following ones. First, we are going to retest the 0.1165, going back down to the 0.1098. Okay, so be careful. If we get rejected in the daily, then we are going to go all the way down there. For the other support levels, if you want another update, write me in the comment section down below. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Easy Profits. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day, and see you soon. Bye.